In this video, we explore more English words starting with the letter J, from jackal to jungle. You'll learn their meanings, simple definitions, Spanish translations, and useful collocations to help you practice and use them naturally. Jackal, wild animal similar to a wolf. Golden jackal, jackal pack.
A jackal was spotted near the edge of the desert. In the story, the cunning jackal outsmarted the lion.
Cunning describes someone who uses intelligence in a secretive or slightly dishonest way to get what they want. Clever means smart and quick thinking, but without the negative or sneaky tone. A cunning fox tricked the farmer. A clever student solved the problem quickly. With a cunning smile, she convinced them to follow her plan. Jeans, pants made of denim fabric, blue jeans, skinny jeans, pair of jeans.
He wore a pair of old jeans and a t-shirt for the casual gathering. The store had a big sale on jeans, so she bought a couple of pairs.
Jelly, sweet, soft dessert or spread. Fruit jelly, jelly sandwich, strawberry jelly.
The children loved to eat jelly with their peanut butter sandwiches. He prepared a fruit salad with strawberries, oranges, and jelly cubes.
Jellyfish, sea animal with tentacles and a soft body. Jellyfish sting, jellyfish bloom, poisonous jellyfish.
They saw a jellyfish floating in the water during their beach vacation. A jellyfish sting can be painful, so they advise swimming carefully.
Jersey, a knitted garment or sports shirt. Football jersey, team jersey, wool jersey.
She wore her favorite jersey to the game, hoping her team would win. He signed his jersey for the young fan after the match.
Juice, liquid from fruits or vegetables. Orange juice, fresh juice, juice box.
She poured a glass of fresh juice to go with her breakfast. The juice from the orange dripped all over the counter.
Drip, leak, spill, drop. What's the difference? Drip, when liquid falls slowly in small drops. The tap is dripping. Water is falling drop by drop. A drip can also mean an IV drip, a medical device that slowly gives liquid medicine or nutrients into a patient's vein. The patient received fluids through an IV drip. Leak, when liquid or gas escapes through a hole or crack. The roof is leaking. Water is coming in through a hole. Spill, when liquid accidentally flows or falls out of a container. I spilled coffee on my shirt. It fell by accident. Drop, as a small amount of liquid, a droplet. Used to describe a small single portion of liquid. A drop of water fell on the leaf. As a verb, to let something fall. Can refer to objects or liquids, intentionally or accidentally. She accidentally dropped her wedding ring on the ground. She dropped her phone on the floor. She let it fall. July, the 7th month of the year. July 4th, July heat, in July.
The 4th of July is a national holiday in the United States. He's planning a trip to the beach in July for a summer vacation.
June, the 6th month of the year. June holidays, June weather, in June.
The wedding is scheduled for early June, right after graduation. We are planning to visit the mountains in June when the weather is warmer.
Jungle, tropical forest with dense vegetation. Jungle adventure, jungle animals. Deep jungle.
They trekked deep into the jungle, encountering exotic animals along the way. The jungle was full of strange sounds that made it feel eerie at night.
Sometimes English has several words for something that feels scary, but not all of them mean the same thing. When we say something is eerie, we usually mean it feels strange and mysterious, like a quiet forest at night, or an empty street, with a cold wind. Spooky is similar, but it's often more playful. We use it for Halloween decorations or ghost stories that are fun, not truly frightening. Creepy, on the other hand, describes something that makes you really uncomfortable, especially when a person or situation feels disturbing or weird. So, an abandoned house at night might feel eerie. A haunted house attraction is spooky, and someone staring at you for too long can seem creepy. That's it for today's. Keep practicing with examples, and you'll see your English improve step by step. See you in the next video.